Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how we made the biggest birdhouse ever. Let's get into it. Every year I build a birdhouse, but this year was a little bit different. This year I was asked to recreate this birdhouse as an anniversary gift to another couple friends. Now, because I was supposed to be really discreet about this project and the fact that the birdhouse was like 10 feet up in the air, I couldn't get a lot of dimensions, but I could tell by looking at the back of it that it was constructed out of 4x4 fence pickets. I could also see, since that it was sitting on a 6x6 post, that the depth would need to be 6 inches. Other than that, it was a lot of guesswork. After a few calculations, I set to work cutting down all the pieces. I decided to make my version from 6-inch cedar fence pickets because they are a little bit thicker, less susceptible to insects, and they hold up well outside. I still cut them down to 4 inches though to keep the same look of the original. After some light sanding, I marked and drilled out the openings and the holes for the perches using some Forstner bits. Once I had the first panel done, I could use it as a template to drill out the rest. I chose to use pocket holes for the assembly of the front and back panels. I made sure to use Type Bomb 3 for the assembly because it's waterproof. Before continuing with the assembly, I cut some small pieces to use as the little awnings over each opening and attached them using glue and brad nails. I used pocket holes and glue for the rest of the framework also, but I'll spare you from the monotony of me screwing it all together because, well, you get the idea.
Why don't you explain this to me like I'm 5?
The back panel was attached using glue and brad nails. Off camera, I also drilled some tiny ventilation holes in the back of each little room of this birdhouse. And the roof pieces were attached the same way. After a bit more sanding, I attached dowels for all the perches. And there it is, the biggest birdhouse ever. Or at least the biggest one that I've ever built. Now my friend really wasn't sure how this couple wanted it finished, whether they wanted to paint it themselves or add decorations before they put it up. So this is kind of where the journey ended for me. I did put a couple coats of polyurethane on it just in case they kept it plain wood. And my friend was able to snag a couple shots of it once it was installed. What do you think? Do you think I got pretty close to the original? I think I pulled it off. I know this video is a little bit different than what I normally do, but it's still a project that I really wanted to share with y'all. So thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.